So this is the all ingredient that I'm going to use for Kao Mun Gai. So let's start from the chicken. So I use the chicken leg, this one, like 2 pounds. So I cook for 4 people. So I have friend come over tonight, and so I use the chicken wings for like about 2 pounds, and this is the drumstick for like 1 pound. And so I use the soy sauce for the broth to poach the egg, and the seasoning sauce also for the broth to poach the egg. And this is the bouillon to make the broth. So I use 1 cube. And this is the sweet sauce for making a sauce for the chicken, and soybean paste, fish sauce, and the ginger. So I sliced it, and so this is gonna like I use to cook, also use this for the rice, to cook the ginger rice, and have to use for the sauce. So I gonna blend it with the chili and garlic. So I use about 12 garlic and 12 chili. So I 6 of red, 6 of green, and cilantro. So normally for the sauce they use like a cilantro root, but we don't have it, so you can just use like cilantro and diced ginger. So this is I'm gonna add it later after I blend the sauce, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. So I also like the chunk of ginger, that's why, so I dice it like that. And lambs, so for the sauce, and also sugar also for the sauce, and the rice for the ginger rice, and cucumber to eat it with the Kao Mun Gai. Alright, let's start to make it. Alright, let's start with the chicken. So just half of the water in the pot, and then add 1 bouillon in it. So yeah, I just use 1 cube, and then 3 tablespoons of seasoning sauce, which is this one, and then add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, which is this one. You can get all these sauce from Asian store. I'm sure that they have it. And then add the chicken.
Add all chicken that you bought in there.
So after you add all chicken in the pot, so I'm gonna poach it about like 45 to hour. So I like it's like really like soft. And then if you have Instant Pot, it probably takes shorter. It should take about like 20-30 minutes to cook it if you use Instant Pot, but I like to cook it this way better, so I'm gonna leave it in there like 45 minutes. Alright, so next is gonna be how to make the sauce. So first I'm gonna add garlic and chili. So 12 garlic and 12 chili in there. And then add about 15 slices of ginger. And then cilantro, about 100 grams in there. And then 1 teaspoon of sugar, white sugar. 3 tablespoons of soybean paste. 5 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce. Add it in there. And 2 slices of lambs. One tablespoon of fish sauce. And then I'm gonna blend all of this together. So this is not done yet for the soup, for the sauce. So this is like how it's look after we blend everything together, and then it's not done yet, so we still have to wait for the pot. So we still have to wait for this blood to be done. So we're gonna use the blood to add it in the sauce. And then done. Alright, seems like the chicken is ready and the broth is boiling. So I'm gonna add like about 2 big spoons of the blood in the sauce, and add the ginger and cilantro in it, and then mix them together, and that's it. We're done for the sauce. So next we're going to cook the rice. So we're gonna use the chicken broth to cook the rice, and add ginger in it to make the ginger rice. That's the secret of mine. So just cook like you normally cook the rice, just instead of water you just add the broth in it. So yeah, let's do it. Alright, as you can see, the chicken is look really tender. So the reason that I use the chicken leg and chicken wings and drumsticks, so I like the bone. So the meat next to the bone is always like really tender and soft. You can also use the chicken breast if you don't like the bone, so or whole chicken, however you like the chicken. Here we go, it's done. So time to eat. So we eat it with cilantro and cucumbers, and I also add the fried garlic a little bit on top.